Camouflage. Now repeat after me. Camouflage. Camouflage. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning. Camouflage refers to the ability or method used by animals, people, or objects to blend in with their surroundings. This technique is often used for protection or concealment. In nature, animals like chameleons use camouflage to hide from predators, while in the military, soldiers wear camouflage uniforms to remain hidden from enemies. Think of it like this. Camouflage allows someone or something to go unnoticed, blending in perfectly with its background. In a sentence, the tiger's stripes act as camouflage, helping it stay hidden in the tall grass. Here, camouflage refers to the tiger's natural ability to blend in with its surroundings. Let's try another example. Soldiers wear camouflage clothing to avoid being spotted by the enemy. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using camouflage. Synonyms. Some related terms for camouflage are concealment, the act of hiding something from view. Disguise, something that changes appearance to avoid detection. The opposite of camouflage would be exposure, the state of being visible or revealed. Visibility, being easily seen without any attempt to blend in. Part of speech. Camouflage is a noun referring to the method or ability to blend in with surroundings. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.